I get questions about the installation of the Easy Spring Plus when you still have the rail in place. Your L brackets are on the wall. You want to have your L brackets in between your board mount and your rail. So I will slide it in. When I raise my shade, you can see the little tips of my L brackets. I don't have any room to screw it. What you will need to do is to release your mounting bracket. This is how easy. It's clamped. You push the clear piece in the back, you release it. Go to the other side. You release it. Raise your shade on your hardware up. You take your drill and you screw right into your board, and you'll place your second screw. And basically, again, this is the mounting board. These little clips will hinge right in the inside of your rail. And you just snap it back into place. Do the other one, and you snap it right into place. Okay? So now we are mounting a reverse roll. The same question arises. How do we install L brackets when the rail is in the way? And worse than that is that the shade is in the back. It's coming from the back of the shade. In my workroom, I know that I have to do the little slice. I like to put a piece of tape and then slice. It makes it look a little bit more professional, because you do have to slice it in order to fit in the L brackets in your area, okay? But again, we're running in the same dilemma as in a waterfall Roman shade, that we cannot access our L bracket. But the same thing happens, that you just unclip your mounting brackets, exposing your L brackets. Place your screw. And replace the head rail, just as I mentioned before. Oh, sorry. Snap and snap. And then naturally in the reverse mount, you're gonna have a valance that will cover all the type of hardware. But again, just unclip your mounting brackets, exposing your wall L brackets. When you're done, just snap it back into place. And the shade continues to operate exactly the way it was intended to do.